presenting you the real power of SMM, social media marketing. Number 1. Increase brand awareness. How do you increase the brand awareness? Use native advertising. Employing native advertising is one of the most effective ways of increasing brand awareness and winning over new customers. Run Facebook and Insta ads. Run ads on Twitter. Partner with influencers to review your brand. Partner with influencers to create a content. Here are the 7 tips on how increase brand awareness on social media. Number 1. Social sharing. Encourage your fans and followers to share your post. 2. Create content. People love to win something for nothing. 3. Quality content matters a lot. 4. Engagement. 5. Ask question and give them reply very soon. 6. Show, don't tell. Number 7. Offer a free demo. These are the 7 tips to increase the brand awareness on social media. Second one, engage with the customer and improve customer service. Okay, tell the customer clearly who you are and what you do. Offer real-time support and be proud active about starting conversation while you have their attention. Regardless of your brand or a budget, here are the 6 proven ways to engage customer time and time again. Number 1, ask more questions. 2. Engage through the educational content. 3. Educational with new medium. 4. Making your marketing more human. 5. Personalize your customer experience. And finally, 6. Keep your customers in the loop. Improve brand loyalty through social media marketing. Each liner. Use social media marketing to focus on connecting with your current customer as opposed to simply growing your numbers of followers. Social media management tools make your social media marketing easier by allowing you to engage and connect with your followers right from the main dashboard. Okay, how can you build brand loyalty be improved? Here are some effective ways to build a brand loyalty. Number 1, engage with the customers. 2. Deliver value to the customers. 3. Make sure your brand is consistent. 4. Invest in eye-catching logo design. 5. Make the thumbnail better. 6. 2. Turn to influencers to promote your brand. 7. Focus on 360 degree of the customer service. 8. Capture feedback and adjust. Moving on to number 4, create more opportunities to convert. So, 9 leads conversion tips for success digital marketing as researched by business.com. Number 1, offer a freebie or a discount. 2. Research your audience. 3. Always follow up. 4. Use call to action. 5. Optimize your web experience. 6. Utilize social medias. 7. Use CRM methods. 8. Consider a buying funnel. Okay, how do you increase the sales conversion in the digital marketing? Sales conversion means selling the services or a product. Number 1, creating or refine your pre-selling system. 2. Improve your selling scripting. 3. Set and hold your protest and you accountable to an upfront agreement. 4. Optimize your offer. Alright, maximum. How do you create a content for the 10 tips for creating content that converts like a champ? Number 1, use emotions to motivate. 2. Using the drastic change of the thumbnail. 3. Use urgency. 4. Increase the clarity and relevancy. 5. Reduce anxiety. 6. Eliminate distractions. 7. Add another voice, endorsement, testimonials and different proposals. 8. Poke the pressure points. Okay, how do you create the content? Let's explore some of the best ways that way we can create a content. 1. Read books and relevant publications. 2. Brainstorms with others. 3. Invest in self-development. 4. Question basis assumptions. 5. Take a content view. 6. Create a story. 7. Interview others. And finally 8. Social networking. Finally, moving on to number 5, distribute content and increase traffic. Okay, there are the various ways to distribute content for a more traffic. Write content. The type of the content you should create and distribute depends on the goal you are trying to achieve. Right people, most business have multiple buyers personas to target. Right time, leverage influencer, use social media, convert your content into different media, promote your content on content communities. Well, you have a question. How do you distribute content? Here's how to build a content distribution strategy for yourself. 1. Research your target audience. Audit your content. Choose your content distribution channels. Decide on your own content types. Set your content distribution KPIs and goals. Drive to the different tools and SEOs. Build an editorial calendar for create an account. What is content distribution? You may have the questions like that. Content distribution is the act of promoting content to the online audiences in multiple media formats through the various channels. Earned content distribution. This is when third parties distribute your content and content about you through the press coverage, guest article, contribution, retweet, share, and optimized SEOs. How can you increase your traffic blog? Write more, promote your social media, write better titles, know your niche, include photos, incorporate keywords, incorporate links. What is content channel? A content channel is one of the solution marketers have defined to help here. A content channel is simplify another way to redistribute content when you have already by slicing it vertically as opposed to horizontally. What are the four different types of distribution? We do have four different types of distribution. They are direct selling, selling through intermediates, dual distribution, and reverse channels. Well, that's it for today. Let us talk about some bonus content. How do you distribute your video content? There are basically 12 strategies to 8 strategies I have made. Break up your video into smaller, more focused sessions. Post it into the IGTV, Instagram so that Instagrams and other platforms will also grow. Second, engage through email. Third, create a social media campaign. Fourth, help motivate your employees. 5. Use your video in a webinar. 6. Repurpose image. 7. Take it on the go. And finally 8. Transcribe your video. Moreover, let us learn what are the 20 proven strategies that can help you boost readership and increase traffic to your blog. Content writing. Number 1. Write more. Second, promote your social media. Third, write better titles. Fourth, know your niche. 5. Include photos. 6. Incorporate keywords. 7. Incorporate links. What is content channel and how can we get direct traffic be increased? Okay, increasing a traffic, improving offline marketing strategies. Offline marketing efforts are the great way to increase the amount of the direct traffic your website is getting. Consider promoting your website through the method such as print advertising, coupons, business card, brochures and commercials, which are already been reduced due to the digital marketing service. How do I get blog noticed? To get the blog noticed in 2020, help search engine to notice your blog. Consistency, produce quality content. Build your own writing style. Start using SEO tools like Ahref and so on. Give links to other blogs your blogs will post upon continuously. Content your other blogs, comment on them. Consider guest blogging on the site which you are popular in your niche. So, how do you get the direct traffic? Direct traffic is defined as the visits with no referring website. When a visitor follow a link from one website to another, the site of the origin is considered the referrer. These sites can be search engines, social media, blogs and other social media platforms. How can you increase traffic in the website in most effective way in 2020? Number 1. Advertise, get social, mix, write interesting content. Pay attention to on-page SEO and off-page SEO. Target long-tail keywords. Start guessing blogging. Invite others to the guest blog. Make it promotion with other big content influencers or writers. Use social media platform to get free traffic. Create your own business Facebook page. 2. Create a LinkedIn profile. There is a high traffic on the LinkedIn profile right now in 2020. Create a Twitter account. Create an Instagram account. How do you make your blog viral? Okay, the secrets behind this is create lots of great content. Second one is giving some thoughts to your title. Third, combine trendy with originals, use images and videos, study viral content and do promote. Well, that's it for today. Hope you guys like the video. Do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. We'll see you tomorrow.